The 2015 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, front, power steering, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, rear defrost. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.